Sninga. I grew up with this word in my mother tongue, chostyep, spoken on the Tibetan Plateau. It flowed through the whispers of wind in the mountain passes and the quiet hum of my mother's song as she spun wool. I thought Sninga simply meant to listen, to hear words, nod, and follow along. But I wasn't truly listening. One afternoon, as part of a school project to record oral traditions, I visited my neighbor, an uncle whose hands were rough from years of carpentry. He was smoothing planks for a new home floor, the rhythmic scrape of wood blending with the scent of pine. Eager to capture something wise, I held up my recorder and asked him for a proverb. Without stopping his work, he paused and said, "O malo, ngan kirgantas nelake yom tadiemnyati." Warming your hands with moonlight? I thought the words were clear, but the meaning slipped away. Frustrated, I turned off the recorder and stormed home. He was speaking nonsense, I told my mother. She laughed from the kitchen. Snelike yomtad is a proverb, she said, amused. It means you are asking the wrong person. Only later did I realize perhaps he was busy, trying to finish his work before the sunlight faded, and I hadn't noticed. His words weren't nonsense. They were quiet wisdom, gently telling me to wait, to observe, to understand. I had heard, but I hadn't truly listened. That moment humbled me. In Choskep, Sninga means to listen, to ponder, to dream, and to feel with all your senses. This is a thread connecting us to our people, our stories, and the world around us. Sninga showed me that to listen is to open not just your ears, but your heart. Now, it is my hope to carry this wisdom forward and inspire others to listen, to feel, and to preserve the stories that make us who we are.